Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to the Commerce Villa where you will get educational videos related to commerce. You will also get previous year question paper, revision notes and much more. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon.
In this video, we are going to learn the types of business activities and the further topic is industry. So if you remember that in previous videos we have learned the definition of business, that the business is an economic activity which are connected with the activities like production, purchase, sale or distribution of goods and services. So these activities we are going to classify that activities into two categories, that is industry and commerce. In this video we will learn about industry and in the next video we will be discussing about commerce. So let us know what is the definition of industry. Now industry has two meanings. So first meaning refers to an activity which convert raw material into useful goods. It also includes activities relating to producing or processing of goods as well as the breeding and raising of animals. Now these two words are the new terms which are added in this definition. We will be reading in further in this video. So we know that industry is in manufacturing area is that activity area which converts raw material into finished goods. That is clear to all that this is the definition we have started reading in primary classes, so you should not have any difficulty in learning this. So let us learn our second meaning of industry, that the industry referred as group of firms producing similar or related goods. Now let us take an example for more clarification. For example, electronic industry would include all firms producing electronic goods. Now here all firms include all that industries which are producing electronic goods. Now that are Samsung, Apple, Sony, LG, Bajaj, etc. Now all that industries are producing electronic goods. So what is the name of that industries? Electronic industry. So I think that is clear. So let us take a second example. Cotton textile industry refers to all manufacturing units producing textile goods from cotton. So you know what are the examples of cotton textile industry? It includes all the industries such as Walmart, Tommy, Reebok. Now these industry based on cotton textile industry. So the name of these industry will be cotton textile industry, which will be producing cotton based goods. So we have learned two different meanings of industry. Now we will classify into three categories, namely primary industry, secondary industry and tertiary industry. I know that you have listened about three name of these industries. So now let us learn further deep. So let us focus on primary industry. I hope this is clearly visible to you. So what primary industry say? Primary industry says that it is extraction of natural resources and reproduction of living organism. So primary industry focuses on collecting the raw material. Now raw material may be included from the natural resources or by reproduction of living organism. So these are divided into two categories, that is genetic industry which focuses on rearing and breeding of living organism, that is reproduction of living organism, and the extracting industry focuses on the extraction of natural resources. So genetic industries include rearing of cattle for milk, plants in nursery. So this is the rearing and breeding of living organism. And the extracting industry focuses on extracting of minerals from earth, timber from forest. Now these two industries has collected raw material for the manufacturing industries. So let us see secondary industry. Now secondary industry is the processing of raw material now which are extracted and produced by primary industry can be used into finished goods. Now all those materials which are extracted from the natural resources and the breeding by living organism are used by the secondary industry in the manufacturing process. So they can produce finished products. Now these secondary industries are classified into two type of industries, that is first is manufacturing industry and construction industry. Manufacturing industry has its four different type of industries included. So first is analytical industry. Now analytical industries focuses on the basic raw material which is broken into different type of finished products. Now one raw material is used to use. Let us take an example of crude oil. Now crude oil is taken as an raw material and now it is manufactured or it is processed into many finished products such as petroleum, diesel, kerosene oil, gasoline, etc. So analytic industry mean that the use of one raw material to manufacture into many finished products. Now second is synthetic industry. Now in analytical industry we have taken one raw material. Now in synthetic industry we will have two or more type of raw material. Now this synthetic industry which focuses on the two or more material are mixed together to manufacture some new products. For example, various chemicals are mixed to produce soap, paints and cosmetics, etc. So in synthetic industry we have to take two or more raw material to manufacture many finished products. So our third is processing industry. Now processing industry is that type of industry in which the raw material is processed into many different stages of production and then finished goods are manufactured. So the main idea of processing industry is that the raw material is processed into various type of stages to have finished product. For example, iron and steel industry, textile industry, sugar industry. Now one raw material, for example iron. Now iron and steel industry may have raw material like iron ore. So it may pass into various stages of production to have one finished good, that is iron. So next is assembly industry. Now in assembly industry the various finished products are combined to produce a new finished product. For example, manufacturing of computers, television, watches, automobiles, cars, etc. Now the parts of these type of industries are taken and they are combined to have these type of one new finished product. So our one part of secondary industry is over. So let us focus on the second part of secondary industry, that is construction industry. Now construction industries are concerned with the construction of buildings, dams, roads, etc. Now these industry use the products of manufacturing industry such as cement, iron and steel, lime, etc. So the unique feature of these industry is that their products cannot be transferred or shifted to the market because these will be only processed by these construction industry. So these are the example. First is road construction, dam and the bridge construction. Now third category is tertiary industry. Tertiary industry provides services to primary and secondary industries as well as also in trading process. That is why the second name of industry is service industry, because it provides services to primary and secondary industry. Now what are those services which helps in support to primary and secondary industry? Now the services like transportation, that is facilitates movement of goods from one place to another. Banking, which provide credit facility to industries and trading firms. Communication, which helps to communicate in different areas. Insurance, provide coverage from various type of risk. Advertisement, provide information to consumer about the products of industries which they manufacture. Now in this video, all we have learned about what is industry and the types of industry. So I hope that all things are clear. If you have any problem, comment me down, and enjoying my videos in learning all topics. So please like and share with your classmates. This is it in this video. Let us meet in the next video. Bye bye.